located 9 miles northeast of Ravenna, or 10 miles northeast of Bonham, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Turco. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 3:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station WXK 22.